Hey guys, welcome back to the Barndo channel. I'm Charlie Downs with 1845 Barndominiums. We're here in Diana, Texas today with our Zinnia Row Barndominium, and we're going to walk through our floor plan for this build. We're just in the concrete phase here, but we're going to show you how this house is going to lay out and talk to you a little bit about this Barndominium. All right, so let's come in here and look at what the layout for this Barndominium in Diana, Texas. All right, guys, as we walk in the front door here, we're in the living room area of this Barndo. I do believe they're gonna put a fireplace in the living room here. On the right side of this house, they've laid it out with a game room on the right side here, in addition to 2 bedrooms and a bathroom that you can see the plumbing for over on this side. If we go to the middle here, we're walking through the living room area. This is going to be our kitchen area. You can see the plumbing and the electrical for their island that they're going to have in the middle of their kitchen. So as we move from the kitchen area, we're going to go over here to our entryway that leads us over into the covered carport area. They're going to have a carport area that is covered and gabled with a breezeway that connects it to the house. As they come in there, we're going to see a laundry room, washer and dryer with some hanging rods inside there. They put a half bath here for guests so that they don't have to utilize either of the left or right side full bathroom there. And as we come over here to the other side, we're going to see our master wing. We've got our master bedroom here in the front corner. We're going to have bathroom with dual vanities. We've got shower. We've got a freestanding tub also that's going to go inside this master bath. And then in this open area here, you're going to see we're going to have a master closet. All of this will start to come together as we come in and we show you the framework, the wood framing and electrical plumbing as we follow this build throughout. So one of the cool features that they put in this house was on the master wing. They wanted to have a complete walkthrough from their master bedroom through the bath into the laundry room and out to the carport for some privacy. So where I'm standing right here is going to be the walkway from the master bedroom into their master bath with dual vanities on both sides. They'll be able to walk through here with their shower and their bath area right here, and they'll have pocket door right where I'm standing right here. They'll be able to walk through into their laundry area, do their laundry, hang their clothes up, and be able to access that on the way out into the carport. So they just wanted some privacy in their master wing, so we gave them a complete walkthrough from their bedroom all the way to the exit to the carport. So the last thing we're going to look at here is the back patio of this house. So they wanted an area back here that they could enjoy the view back, and you see right now it's kind of a wooded lot back behind us here, but they are going to open that up a little bit so they can have some area back here for the kids to play. They can enjoy some family time on the back patio. Now, one thing I do want to finish up with is one of the commonly asked questions that I get is a little bit along the lines of how we build our barndominiums, is whether or not we are a weld up or a bolt up barndominium. So when we talk about building a barndominium, one of the questions that I get asked quite often is, are you guys weld up or bolt up barndominium? So if you can see the anchor bolts there below me that we just showed you, we are a complete bolt up structure. So we start from the ground up and we bolt our steel to the concrete structure below. So we use those anchor bolts to bolt to the concrete, and then we erect the building up from there. Another thing that I get asked a lot is there a barrier from your sheeting or your metal on the exterior to the interior of the house? And I wanted to draw some attention to the sheet ledge that you can see here in this concrete pour. We have a little over 1 inch of sheet ledge, and when we come in here and we put our sheeting in, our sheeting will back up and butt up to that. It'll butt up here on the bottom, and it's going to butt up on the back to create a barrier or a seal. Once we spray foam inside of that, it's going to create a seal to the interior of the home. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for us here today in Diana on our Zinnia Row Barndominium. You can follow along with us on YouTube with this build. We're going to follow this build from the ground up. This will be one of the first ones that we're able to take from concrete all the way up to a finished product, and we hope that you'll follow along. Again, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop those in the comments below. Check us out on Facebook, check out our webpage, and we hope to see you again next week.